Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to stretch text to get this here from this. And I'm going to first copy this text and create a new file. And let's just paste it. And then let's start with this. So this is live text. First of all, we need to create outlines, and then we need brushes. Let's close this one here and open the brushes panel. And now we need to create that brush from that text rotated like this. Now, first of all, we're going to take a look at how the behavior of Illustrator when creating a brush, and I'm going to rotate it like this as a demonstration. So let's take the text and drag it in here and make an art brush and do it like this. And you see what Illustrator automatically does is it draws this blue arrow through the text like this. So Illustrator automatically assumes that you actually want to use that brush in that way, because then it's lying as if it were horizontal. I'm going to cancel that, or let's rather just click on OK, because we're going to edit it later. I'm going to take this one here and drag it inside and make an art brush as well. And you see here it does the same. So Illustrator assumes that the text is a rectangle and it's kind of lying on the side. That's kind of just curious. So let's edit this, because we can double click it and then use a different direction, just like that. So that's how I want to have that text on the path. And also it should be stretched between guides, because then we can make nice design effects. So I want to have one of the guides here, and let's make another one there, and then set this to tints and click on OK, like this. So it has been applied here because I've clicked on a bad thing. So let's just set that one back to basic, and then also delete that stroke at all. And now I need a circle like that, and switch fill and stroke, and then take the direct selection tool and delete this point like that. And then let's select this and apply that brush. And you see, this is what's happening. So we have one of the guides here, so that the upper part, so the bars of that text, get kind of stretched. And in the bottom, it doesn't happen because we have the guide somewhere here. And we can now go and edit that brush and move those guides in different position to see what happens then. So you can now just experiment with that design to get what you want with it.